Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Asus vivobook 14 lightweight laptop, budget laptop. This model number is Asus vivobook 14 X1404 model. Comes with a Core i7 13th generation processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD. Have a look. This is the design of the unit. This model comes with the number pad 2.0 for easy data entry on touchpad. This model comes with the full HD 14-inch screen, 1920 by 1080 the screen resolution, full HD, and you can see the webcam here. Comes with the privacy shutter. And this one comes with the built-in mic with Asus AI noise cancellation. Here you can see the frame. It's a very slim on side frame. It's a slim design. Comes with a Sonic Master speaker. You can see some details mentioned here in this model 14, 15, 17 inch. Here you can see the touchpad on off button. When you are using number pad, you can on this touchpad. You have to long press so it will on. So when you want to do Excel work, you can use this one. Here we are testing the number pad. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And you can see here we off the number pad. This model comes with the Windows 11 Home Edition 64-bit by default from factory. You can see Intel Core i7 13th generation processor, 1355U, and comes with the Intel Iris graphic also. This is the keyboard which comes with the backlight. You can see the key. F7 is a shortcut key. And here you can see the power button and keyboard. And let's see the connection. What are the connection is available? One USB port and a recovery key button. It's a slim design, lightweight. On other side you can see here one power adapter port. It's a round pin. There is no type C power adapter. And you can see one HDMI port and two of USB port and one USB-C and headphone jack combo, 3.5 size. This is the full design of this unit. So blue color, comes with the blue color, this model. Total 3 colors will come: champagne color and silver color and blue color. And this model you can see 180 degrees we can use. Slim design, lightweight, in 14 inches, Asus vivobook lightweight laptop. In this model, battery can charge 60% in 48 minutes, fast charging. The weight is 1.4 kg. It's thin and lightweight. One hand we can open the screen. This model. This is a backside design. 2 speakers are there backside, and ventilation system you can see here, cooling system. This model comes with a 45 watts power adapter, 19 voltage, 2.37, the specification of power adapter. This is the backside ventilation system on this unit. Backside design, the screws and the rubber you can see. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.